If you want to learn how to warp an image in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to distort, bend, and reshape any layer using the warp tool in Photopea, step by step. This is super useful for creating mock-ups, fitting graphics onto objects, making text more dynamic, or just giving your design a more creative look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel. The very first thing you need to do is select the layer or image that you want to distort. This is important because Photopea can only warp the currently active layer, so make sure you click the correct one before moving on. If you're working with an image, that layer should be selected and highlighted. Next, go up to the top menu and choose Edit, then Transform, and then Warp. This is the main command that opens the warp editing mode. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or CMD plus Option plus T on Mac, and then switch the mode to warp in the top options bar. Either way gets you to the same place, so use whichever method feels easier for you. Once you activate warp, you'll see a grid overlay appear over your image or object. This grid is what lets you control the shape very precisely. Around the edges, you'll notice handles and anchor points. These are the points you will use to bend and reshape the object. At first, it may look a little technical, but once you start dragging the points around, it becomes very easy to understand. Now comes the fun part. Click and drag any of the grid points, lines, or corner handles to bend the image however you want. If you pull a corner outward, you can stretch that part of the layer. If you drag the middle points, you can create a smooth curve or uneven distortion. This is perfect if you want to make an image look like it's wrapping around a surface or fitting into a custom shape. You can also use the warp dropdown in the top bar to apply preset warp styles. Photopea includes options like arc, bulge, flag, and wave, which are great if you want a stylized distortion without manually shaping the entire grid yourself. These presets can save a lot of time, especially if you're trying to create a specific visual effect quickly. You can always combine preset warps with manual adjustments to get a more customized result. Take your time while adjusting the shape. Small movements can make a big difference, so it's usually better to make subtle changes first and then build from there. If something looks off, you can keep dragging the points until the object fits the design exactly the way you want. The great thing about warp mode is that it gives you a lot of control without needing advanced editing skills. When you're happy with the result, press enter on your keyboard or click the checkmark in the top options bar to apply the transformation. This final step confirms the warp and locks in your changes. After that, your image or layer will keep the new distorted shape inside your project. And that's how to warp in Photopea. It's a simple tool, but it can completely change the look of your design once you know how to use it properly. Whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, or making creative social media content, Warp gives you a lot of flexibility. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.